Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot. So what's the big deal with radio frequency anti-aging devices, right? I get asked this all the time, and I've actually been using an amazing RF device for the last year, and I've had some great results. But according to the Cleveland Clinic, radio frequency for anti-aging is amazing. It's a great non-surgical way to get tighter, firmer, lifted skin at home. It's used through an electromagnetic device which uses heat to help stimulate the production of collagen, elastin, and skin cells. Radio frequency has been scientifically proven many times that it works, and it does lift and firm the skin. And the results from using a radio frequency device at home can actually be very similar to what you would have done surgically. It is very similar to a surgical facelift, as long as you use it often and frequently. So my favorite radio frequency device is the Nebulift, and I've used this for the last year, more than a year now, and it has been amazing for me. If you haven't followed my video diary, check out the link below, see some previous videos, and watch me as I've used this for the last year and see how it's improved my skin throughout the year amazingly. If you want to find a good radio frequency device, what I loved and why I chose the Nebulift is because it uses safe levels of low frequency and uses electromagnetic waves and heat to penetrate deep into the layers of the skin. It stimulates the production of collagen and elastin to make skin tighter, firmer, to diminish the fine lines and wrinkles, improve sunspots, and give the skin an overall more youthful appearance as well as glow and radiance. It also gives skin cells more strength and flexibility as well. It helps sagging skin regain its firm shape and fill.
So here's my before and after. It looks tighter on the neck and on my jawline there, as well as around my eyes. My eyes have an overall lift, you can tell, and then also the crow's feet on the left side are not as noticeable now. My upper eyelids also look lifted and even turned up a bit in the corner now. The Nebulift RF anti-aging device has a one-touch button with LED for more intelligent control, RF panel, and micro RF dots. It also has a handy LED light bar for monitoring treatment duration, as well as vibration and sound alerts for easy mode switching and powering on. They also have a handy app for better treatment and product support. It works great on any skin tone and is suitable for sensitive skin as well. It is actually most effective on younger people who are just starting to show signs of aging, so you're never too young to start using this. There are amazing other benefits you can get from using this device, such as improved skin tone, texture, firmness. It also minimizes sun damage and sunspots and gives you a more youthful appearance. I noticed glowing and luminous skin right away. It also reduces the effects of aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, saggy, and droopy skin. They have an amazing sale going on now for International Women's Day you don't want to miss. You can get up to 30% off of accessories, get up to 25% off on the R1 plus a free gift, and up to 10% off the N1 plus a free gift.
So the Nebulift radio frequency anti-aging device has been amazing for me. I've had great results. I hope you'll check them out. Check out the link below to buy. Don't miss this amazing International Women's Day sale happening now and through the 8th of March, where you can get up to 30% off. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I would love to answer them for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share with anyone you think would be interested in this content. And be sure to subscribe for free weekly awesome content. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.